What's up guys, it's Mel back here with another video. So as you guys know, I get some blogger mail, influencer mail, and every other Monday I show you guys exactly what I got. So this one came in the mail and it was a slew of different products and stuff like that. And so I just want to open it on camera with you guys so you guys can see when you make videos, when you blog about different content and stuff like that, you know, companies do send you free items to try out. And so this one is my most recent influencer Vox box, and it includes Lemi Shine dishwasher detergent, ultimate neck and chest age defense by Gold Bond, and Smashmellow cookie dough is what it's all about. And then, you know, as I have different products, they want you to check it out, try it, and leave a comment down below. So this is a snackable marshmallow and it's cookie dough flavored. So I'm gonna open that up first and just show you guys what it is exactly. It's legit a marshmallow with chocolate on it. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just, oh snap, this is so good. Holy crap, it's amazing. Hold on. Yeah. That was amazing. I'm sorry. And it's very light. So that's a Smashmellow. Cool. So Lemi Shine is a dishwashing detergent. It smells really good. And it gives you instructions on how to use it. So I will definitely be using this in our dishwasher once it's installed. Of course, it's due to come, and as you guys know, we're in like a weird situation where we are I don't know, we're like we moved already, but it's like we're in a construction zone. So once that's all set, I'll be able to wash my dishes in my dishwasher, and I can't wait. The other thing I got was this coupon to enjoy one free snackable bag. I'm not entirely sure where I can get these from, but I will definitely find out, hopefully somewhere near me, because this coupon does expire in September and it's free. Enjoy one free 4-ounce or 4.5-ounce bag of snackable marshmallows. So I'll try that out. Thank you, marshmallow peeps. Definitely, or Smashmellow peeps, I should say. And then the last thing is the Gold Bond SPF sunscreens, SPF 20 sunscreen. So I will definitely be trying this out. I love Gold Bond products already, so I'm just going to be able to add this to my arsenal of things. So that is pretty much it for this Blogger Mail Monday. I already ate the Smashmellow. It was bomb.com. Smashmellow, if you want to send me more, I'd be happy to you know, try it out, and I will let you know what I think. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah, bye.